Hello, I'm Mike, and welcome to ilovemytools.com. And today we're going to talk about something that's a real find. This is a lot of my friends have been buying different brands, but I found a real find here with a simple LED battery-operated work light. And I like this particular work light for a number of reasons. Number one, the price. It was less than $4. Number two, it has a lot of features. It has a great hook that swivels so you can hang it. It has a great strong magnet on the back. We keep them on the refrigerator doors over near the hinge side, so there's not much torque on it when the refrigerator door gets slammed, but the magnet will hold the light. And it has two functions. One is it has a flashlight function out the front end, and the other is it has a work light function out the other side, so it could be hung overhead and shine down. And what we'll do is later on this evening after dark, I'll show you, I'll take it outside and show you how long that beam travels, and I'll also then show the other side for the work light. I'll hang it overhead and show you how much actual light it gives you. I've had these for several years, and about the only maintenance they ever need is to just simply take the screws out of them, because they are simple 3 little Phillips screws. And here we go. Let's just do that real quick. And here we go. They open up, and there's 3 AAA batteries in there that you replace. I have only replaced the batteries once, and I use these quite a bit. We rescue dogs here. We had 2 little puppies that kept getting out of the fence, and at night I'd go out there looking for them with this and shining the light so somebody could see if they could see them in the yard or outside the dog pen. But and they do last quite a while, because again, these are LED lights, and the price is right. I've had friends that spent a lot of money on these, and they don't perform as well as these do. So what I'll do is, like I say, after dark we'll do some basic showing you how these operate and how effective they really are. Okay, as promised, we're outside doing some nighttime shots of the light. We've got the light turned on. We hung a piece of paper on the chain link fence here on the property, and we are approximately 80 feet back from that piece of paper with this little 3 AAA battery handy work light, LED work light, and you can see how bright it is that at 80 feet on this night in the dark with this high humidity and everything, you can still see that sheet of paper, and that's 80 feet away from us at this point. Now we're going to head into the workshop, and I'll show you some lighting situations in absolute darkness with this light for work areas. Okay, now we're inside in the workshop. There is no lighting in here at all, except one of these lights up there on the ceiling, using the magnet, holding it to a piece of metal up there in the rafters. And as you can see, if I had to work on, if I were sighted, you could work very easily. You have enough light down here on the work table that you could work with that, which makes these excellent because of the hooks and the magnets make them excellent. If you need lighting in a closet or a dark space or a crawl space, a heck of a lot cheaper. By the way, I just picked up a couple more of these today. They were $3.49 was the exact price each, and it came with the batteries for that price. And as a matter of fact, that's one of the new ones there. And you can see how bright it is, and it's a lot cheaper than running wiring just for a light you're going to use occasionally, like in a crawl space or up in an attic. Okay, we're going to show it to you around the room here in a couple of different positions. Now I'm holding the light in my hand, and I'm shining it toward my drill press here in the workshop. You can see that quite illuminated. Now I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to shine it toward the chop saw over at the other end, which is at this point probably about 10 feet away from me. And over there is the table saw. And as you can see, it is plenty of light. Okay, so you saw how they operated in the dark, and you saw how effective and powerful they are for, especially if the price is right. We're going to put this up on the blog. We'll give you the actual item number of this and where we purchased it and what we paid for it. So just go over to the ilovemytools.com website and look for the blog on handy LED work light, and just look for it. The other thing is, I just want to also encourage you, any comments you have or any tools you'd like to start a discussion on, please just go on over to our forum. And of course, sign up for our newsletter. Stay plugged in. As we discover great little discoveries like this, we'll alert you to them, and enjoy using your tools. Be safe, and until next time, this is Mike DeZinno, America's Blind Tradesman, and thank you for coming to ilovemytools.com.